Hello traders, the date is 2nd March 2023 and this is the pre-market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and let us start with Nifty first. So this is the daily time frame of Nifty, and as you can see that after 9 back-to-back red candles, finally Nifty made a green candle. So Nifty finally made a green candle. Does it mean that it is a bullish sign? I think yes, because this sign means that now there can be a short covering rally up to the 20-day moving average. Do you see the 20-day moving average? So market at least should go to the 20-day moving average because it is away from 20-day moving average. So I should mark the important levels where I can see two important levels. So one is this swing low which I already marked. Another you have seen, this is the gap border. Still market didn't reach here, but I will take a mark here. And now another level I will mark, which is this level. Although there is a 20-day moving average, but still it is very far. So I think before this we have a level, this level. This level will be important because this is kind of a swing high. So now I think the market can stay bullish today, but again see the price action and trade accordingly. And today is also expiry day, so uh, we will wait and watch how things can get here. Now let us go to 5-minute time frame and see how we can trade today in Nifty. So this is the 5-minute time frame of Nifty, and as you can see that yesterday market opened with a bullish candle, and after that very slowly it uh, went above, although it come down, but once again it made uh, to an upside, and this is a positive candle. So again a positive momentum, but once again very tough on the traders because there was not much opportunity in the market. So now let us come to today's chart. So today when I saw SGX Nifty, it was 57 points down. So 57 points down means somewhere around here we might open, and this entire region, if we open below it, then this will be act as a resistance, but if we open above it, then this will act as a support. So too early to say. Let us see whether market takes a resistance or a support from this level. So this level will be important today. If market comes, opens and takes a resistance, I might be looking for a short entry today. But if market opens and takes a support here, then I might be looking for a long entry today. But remember, long entry means there are one important level, which is day's high. Day's high, although it is not a supply zone, but still day's high can be important. So but not very important because again not a supply zone, but days low can be very important because it is a demand zone. Look at this here, this is the days low, and market from here all came all the way till here, which means this is a demand zone. So lot of confusion between this region and this region will be today again. So not very confident if market stays in this range. I'm not very confident. So but again if a price action in my favor, I might take a trade today, but again I will be looking for more positive or negative. Again saying it very tricky because last maybe 10 days or 20 days market is behaving very weirdly. So just wait and watch how price action is. If a clean price action is happening in the first 4 or 5 candles, then you should go for a trending day. But again remember the CPR is kind of wider on the wider side on Nifty, which means that today more of a confusing kind of zigzag kind of a day, more of a sideways kind of a day. So uh, very very confusing, very very tricky day again. So these type of times will come, tricky days will come, and easy days also will come. So whenever you see there can be a tricky day, my advice is for a new trader, either do not trade or trade just very very less, trade in just one trade. If that trade works out, then fine, otherwise do not trade again. So that's the simple plan, only trade once. If you see the market can be choppy, only trade once. If it works, then it works. If it doesn't, then it doesn't work. So that's it from Nifty. Now let us go to Bank Nifty and see how Bank Nifty can trade today. So this is the daily time frame for Bank Nifty, and as you can see that Bank Nifty finally looking a little bullish, but this is just a pullback to the 20-day moving average, and also now we have come very very close to the 20-day moving average, which is around 40,870. And remember, when market opens it may be a little down, 20 point down or 20 point up. So when you see at 9:15 the market opens, you again check where is the daily time frame, where is the 20-day moving average, because this level will be the most important level today for Bank Nifty. uh, so if market comes here and makes a bearish price action, then immediately there will be a solid momentum can be there. But remember, market should come here and make a bearish price action, then only it will be possible. It's not like that the market comes here and you just enter short. This should not be done. Market can break it, anything can happen in the market. So this level will be important. Other than that, I'm not seeing much important levels on the daily time frame. Now let us go to 5-minute time frame and see how we can trade. So this is the 5-minute time frame of Bank Nifty, and there are three important levels which you should mark. Number one, the first region will be this entire region, which will be very very important. Also CPR can be important today because it is wide. So CPR will be very important, support or resistance. And also this is very important because this is a demand zone. Market opened here and look at this, how market bounced. So the three levels you should remember. Number one this level which I marked, number two CPR, and number three this level. So market a lot of confusion again once again, because so many support resistance near this entire region filled with support and resistance. In such scenarios market can be very very confusing in all the above levels. What you can do, because if you want, suppose market opens here and makes a bearish price action, you take a short trade, but again it comes here and takes a support and reverse. So this kind of days can be very very tricky. So my advice is to trade very less. These type of days traders should avoid over trading. I think this type of days, if you take only one trade or no trade, then it will be much better. But again, anything can happen. Remember this thing as well. Market might show a very very clean price action, but then if market shows a very very clean price action, then in the upside or in the downside, then only you can trade. But remember, upside as well, if market goes up, there is this level. This will be the, I think the 20-day moving average. So this level will be very very important. But again, market this week has been entirely sideways. If you look at this entire week, how market is behaving. This was, I think, Monday. Look at this. This was Monday, not a very good day. This was Tuesday again. This was Thursday. So three back to back days. In fact, you can count the last days, or so these kind of days when 4 or 5 back-to-back days market, very confusing. So just trade less. Do not think about making money, think about saving your capital. So that's important. That's it for today's price action. And also a disclaimer that this is not a buying or selling signal. This is just for educational purpose. Okay, do your own analysis and learn about price action, then only trade. That's it from today. Bye bye.